Here is how you can delete messages from Facebook Messenger. First, let's go to facebook.com. Here, let's go to Facebook Messenger. Let's send a test message. How can we delete this message? When you are over the message with the cursor, you will see 3 dots. Click on those. You will see an option to remove. Click on that. Here you have 2 options: to remove a message only for you or for all. Depending on what you want, you can delete the message only for you. Or if you sent it by mistake, you can delete it for all, including you and the person you sent. It's that easy. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe and smash that button, like button. Bye bye.